Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to automate your applications, that is the softwares, or in other way around, how can you start your softwares automatically. Now for that, click the start button, then type here in search task scheduler, click the task scheduler and you will get a window something like this, and in here click this task scheduler library and then right click, you'll get an option create task. Create task, you get another window, give the name of the task. I'll give Windows Player, then you can write some description if you want, and then you can choose the option only run when user is logged on, or else run when whether user is logged on or not. This means whenever the system is on, the application will run no matter the user is logged on or not. And you can choose the user for which specific user, and then you can choose this run with highest privileges. Then again, triggers. When you create a task, you can specify the conditions that will trigger the task. Before that, let me show you first this action tab. Create a task, you must specify the action that will occur when your task starts. That means create new, select the option display a message, start a program. You can use this for displaying as a reminder, displaying a message as a reminder. For me, I would like to start as a program, start a program, then browse it and let's oops, and then select this Windows Media Player and then click OK, done. And then again you can put some condition, start the task only if the computer is idle for 10 minutes. Again, there are a lot of conditions. Start the task only if the computer is on AC, that is for laptop. And then again, settings and tab, allow the task to be run on demand as soon as possible. This one, run task as soon as possible when after a schedule start is missed. If a task fails, restart every 1 minute. Then stop the task if it runs for 3 days. I don't need this, and so on. There are a lot of options. Now the last part is come the triggers. For this, what it says, you have to choose a time, new, then you get an option on begin, on log on, startup, idle, event, log, and there's so much of options there. Now to demonstrate you, I'll just give call 32 and then repeat task every 1 hour, enabled. Okay, there's so many options that you can choose from. Now here's our library where it says it triggers. We don't have a Windows Media Player open to remember, and just wait for at least 1 minute, and then the next runtime is on 238, and then last runtime never, last runtime result auto created on this time. Here it is. Again, it got started. See, automatically it got started. Refresh, you will see. Since we haven't kept any scheduler for next run, so the field is empty. Last run is the current task currently running. This triggers one time. we kept only one time, so the next runtime is empty, the next runtime the value is empty. And again you got an option of disable and run on demand, and you can delete. Then disable, it's done. If it is disabled, then it won't run in this scheduler. For this particular Windows Media Player is disabled. So this is how you can take the benefit of a task scheduler. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.